Sixth grade student Mikhailo showed us how to sort plastic after his school joined a recyclable waste sorting initiative.
I folded it up so that there's more space and so a lot of our students can throw away their trash.
Mikhailo said he waited for a long time for separate recycling bins to be installed in his school.
I decided to participate. Did you clean up? Well, yes, I cleaned up in the park and near my house.
Plastic, glass, and paper are put in separate containers. And after the installation of the recycling system, there is a training course for children on how to properly sort and separate their recyclable garbage.
What do we do with bottle caps?
Unscrew them. This is the second school in Kyiv which has joined in on the initiative. By the end of the month, the organizers plan to add 5 more educational institutions to the project.
The idea came about 6 months ago when I was in Canada. I saw how families sorted garbage there, and I thought, how can I do it in Ukraine? And it is easier to teach children. Then children will be able to share this experience with their parents and explain why it's cool.
Waste sorting is also an additional way for the school to earn extra money. As part of the initiative, recyclables taken in by schools are purchased at slightly higher prices.
The first school was very successful. They joined the action in May. So within the first month, they saved 3,000 hryvnias on garbage disposal. And the company that exports secondary raw materials paid this school 3,000 hryvnias.
The schools can then decide how to spend the money raised from waste sorting. And the organizers of this environmental initiative hope that all schools in Kyiv will eventually join.